Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Kotoko. My name is Clinton Elito. So today we're going to talk about 3 things Asante Kotoko should work on, or 3 areas Asante Kotoko must improve if they want to get any positive results from the CAF Confederation Cup campaign. Tomorrow they will know their possible opponents, or they will know the opponents tomorrow in the CAF Confederation Cup playoffs, and today we'll talk about 3 areas they should improve ahead of the CAF Confederation Cup. First thing we have here is that Asante Kotoko must improve the away form. They must sort out the away form. Asante Kotoko have won just one of their last 7 away games, conceding 14 goals and scoring 7 goals. The away form is so bad that their fans don't expect to win. We fans, we don't expect to win. We only expect a narrow loss or a draw, hoping that when the away team travels to Kumasi, we are going to beat them. So if Asante Kotoko want to achieve anything in the CAF Confederation Cup, they need to work very hard to turn around things when they travel out of the country to play teams away in the CAF Confederation Cup. Second thing we have there is that Jetty Zakariasin must find his best starting lineup. All the 4 games in the CAF Champions League preliminary stages, Jetty Zakariasin used different lineups, and if he can pick a particular lineup and stick with it, and I'm sure he is going to go far. The club is going to go far with that development, because sticking to a particular team is very, very important when challenging for titles and cup in tournaments. So I believe that Asante Kotoko will go far if Jetty Zakariasin picks his best starting lineup. Max Obako is back in the training, Yakoba is back in the training. So if Jetty Zakariasin can pick his starting line ahead of the CAF Confederation Cup, I'm very, very sure that Asante Kotoko will go far in the competition. Then number 3, we have Sonny Yakoba. Sonny Yakoba must be brought back to the squad. We all know that he wanted to leave the club because of issues and wanting a new challenge, but now he's back. He extended his contract. His contract will finish next year, and there are reports that he might extend again for another 2 years. But I'm saying that he's an important player. He's one of the best players they had in the last CAF Confederation Cup. He scored 2 goals and gave 5 assists. So if Asante Kotoko can make Sonny Yakoba an important player in this CAF Confederation campaign, if they use him very well in this CAF Confederation campaign, I am very, very certain they will go far in the CAF Confederation Cup campaign. So never mind about his injury history or his fitness concerns, but what I'm trying to tell you is that when he's fit, Sonny Yakoba is an asset you can't afford to lose. So if Asante Kotoko can keep all the 3 points, the first one, sort out the away form, second one, Jetty Zakariasin must find his best starting lineup, and the third one, Sonny Yakoba must be brought back into the team and made an important player in the team, the club is going to go far in the CAF Confederation Cup campaign. Asante Kotoko were relegated to the CAF Confederation Cup campaign after failing to make use of the opportunity to enter the group stages of CAF Champions League. They lost 3-0 against Etoile du Sahel in their last CAF Champions League preliminary stage game away from home in Tunisia. I'm very sure that if Asante Kotoko will address these issues, they will go far in the CAF Confederation Cup. First one, Kotoko must sort out the away form. Second one, Jetty Zakariasin must find his best starting lineup. And third, Sonny Yakoba must be brought back into the team. So if you're joining us for the first time, you haven't subscribed, I would advise you to subscribe now to get more news from Asante Kotoko, and click the notification bell also, and recommend the channel to your friends that are Kotoko fans, so that you guys can enjoy more content and uploads later in the future. So that's all for now, and don't forget to follow us on our social media pages, Daily Kotoko on Facebook, and Kotoko Daily on Twitter and Instagram. Till next time guys, goodbye.